Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you just happen to drop by, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some fabrics I recently picked up at my local JoAnn's store. Now, if you are intimidated by sewing, I'm here to tell you that one of the easiest things to do is home decor for sewing because generally the lines are all straight. You don't have to sew curved seams and that sort of thing. So the things I got are for pillows and some curtains that I'm going to be making. So why don't you stay tuned and see what I got. So the reason I went into JoAnn's in the first place was to get some outdoor fabric to recover some outdoor pillows I have in my yard. I was very disappointed in the pillows that I had because they were supposed to be Sunbrella fabric, and I got them about 5 years ago, and they almost immediately started fading, as you can see. These were not inexpensive pillows, and I bought some others in a different stripe design, and those are fine. Those still look like new, but as you can see, these are very washed out. So I went in there to get some outdoor fabric, like I said, and I decided on this one. I have some other pillows in my yard that, like I said, are striped. They have this color in them and this color. And then I do have reds in my house, so I thought these would look nice. And I have some solid color pillows that are this color. And I think I even have some pattern colors that have this in it. So I thought these would work well for my outdoor pillows. Now I'm going to cover 4 pillows. So I got 2 yards of this fabric because you can get 2 pillows out of each yard. Home decor fabric often is 54 inches wide. This is not, this is I think 45 inches wide. But you can get, these pillows I think are about 16 or 18 inches. So you can get 2 fronts and 2 backs out of each yard of fabric. So that's what I'm going to be doing with that. Now let me show you what I got that was kind of more of an impulse buy. So the draperies or curtains that I have in my dining room and my family room area, I've had for quite a while, close to 15 years now. And I have been wanting to get something a little bit lighter and more neutral now that we redid the flooring in the family room. So I just was kind of looking to see what they had, and I found the following items. I'll insert a picture here of what the current drapes and curtains look like. Now I still like those window treatments, so I'm going to keep them so I can maybe switch back and forth. I need to figure out where I'm going to store them, however. But I decided to go a little lighter and just use yellows and some neutral colors. So the first fabric I saw was this one. And it's a little hard to see from that. Let me back up so you can see. It's has a light background this time, and then it has, I guess it's upside down. It has this large floral design. And I have, as you know, you can see here, yellow in my walls. And so and then white trim. And so I thought this would look really nice in my family room to replace the red curtains that I have in there. And then I decided to try to find something that would sort of go with this that I could put in the dining room, and I found this chevron material that has the same colors in it. See? And I thought that would look nice in the dining room. And then I found this coordinating fabric, and I thought, well, maybe I will end up making some pillows or replacing the seat cushions that I had made for my counter stools earlier. And so it has the same colors you can see in here. And I got all of these fabrics. They were having them on sale for I think 40 or 50% off. And so that was a really good deal. I'm going to be able to replace all these curtains and cushions and things for a lot less than I would have if I had to pay the regular price per yard. Normally these fabrics are in the $20 range, I think. And I was able to get most of them for $7 to $10 a yard. So I was really happy with that. Now, the issue is, why did I get these now? I wasn't really thinking, because I'm about to start a big project in the room where I have my sewing table set up. So unless I get cracking on these in the next week, I'm going to have to wait a while before I can start sewing on them. But I will show you what I do. I will show you how easy it is to put them together. The worst part is dealing with the bulk of the material. But as I said, straight lines, pretty simple to do. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever made curtains or draperies for your home. I like to do it because that way I get a custom look. I don't always make them, but pretty much I would say 80 to 90% of the window treatments I have in my home I've made myself. So I am looking forward to getting back into that because I haven't been doing any sewing lately. And let me know if you have always wanted to make them but you've never tried, because that way you'll know to come back when I do post a video on how I'm making these things. I want to thank all of you for watching today, and again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week, a lot of home decor related, some home management and organizing related. So why don't you subscribe by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. I look forward to seeing all of you next time, and we're right around the corner from summer, so I hope you're enjoying getting ready for summer and decorating in your house. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.